Hi everyone, this is my new project and it's one more Airbnb house, this time in West Palm Beach, Florida. So today I need to paint a mural in a living room and in a backyard. So customers saw one of my previous video from YouTube with the black and white Monstera leaves, and they wanted to have something in a similar style. So I made a few sketches to them and then we quickly confirmed the final design. This mural I'm gonna paint with spray cans and brushes. I covered everything and started sketching and creating a composition on the wall, right on the wall with spray cans. Our task is to paint a neon sign of West Palm Beach on a background of an arch of Monstera leaves in a black and white style, something like that. That's supposed to be cool background for the pictures for the customers and guests of this house. After I outlined everything, I begin to paint over with gray and slowly gaining tones and shades. I highlight with the black the darkest areas to create that volume, so some leaves going in the back, some stay in the front. Well, and next I start creating details step by step. Play with the light and shadow using different tones of black and white. So to try to make the leaves in the foreground lighter and those in the back darker. I also wanted to mention that I really love painting with Montana Gold spray paint, and making a black and white murals with it, it's a special pleasure. So you did see preparing for a neon aligned sign, and right now I'm going to do exact letters. Thank you for watching and hope you guys like it. So, the part 1 is over. I'm going to paint the second part of this project and see you on the next video. Bye bye.